This video we will discuss about formula based Pascal triangle using Raptor. I am Dr. PV Sena from CBIT. So in this Pascal triangle, the general formula is x plus y whole to the power of n. So then nc0 x to the power of n, y to the power of 0, nc1 x to the power of n minus 1, y to the power of 1, nc2 x to the power of n minus 2, y square, up to so on ncr x to the power of n minus r, y to the power of x to the power of r, y to the power of n minus r. This is rth term, r term. ncr x to the power of r, y to the power of n minus r. Last term is NCN x to the power of 0 y to the power of n. So in this Pascal triangle equation, there are n plus 1 terms will be there. So now the sum of these each term x to the power of n, y to the power of 0. So n plus 0, the sum of these terms is equal to the n. So n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to n. So the Pascal developed a triangle in order to find out the coefficients of this binomial theorems. Vipada Siddhantam x plus y whole to the power of 0, 1, x plus y whole to the power of 1. So x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1. So x plus y whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square. X square coefficient is 1, 2xy here 2, y square coefficient is 1. In this way, the Pascal developed a triangle. Suppose if we are adding these terms 1 plus 1, 2, next 1 plus 2, 3. So 2 plus 1, 3. So that just we are adding 1 to the left and right side. So 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4. Suppose if you take x plus y whole to the power of 4, that is x to the power of 4 plus 4x cube y. So this is second term, 6x square plus y square plus 4xy cube plus y to the power of 4. Once we take these coefficients, here it is 1 coefficient, here it is 4, here it is 6, here it is 4, and here it is 1. So this is Pascal triangle coefficient. So here the algorithm or procedure we are using here, again we are this Pascal triangle, there is a rows and columns. In order to represent this rows and columns, so in order to represent the row, the outer loop for I in range of n controls the number of rows in the triangle. So the outer loop will represent the rows. So in this, we are taking this inner loop to compute the each element value of each row using the formula for binomial coefficients. So the outer loop will represent the rows, the inner loop in order to calculate the binomial coefficients. So the outer loop will be represented with I, j. I am using this j for this inner loop. The variable number is initialized to 1 for each row and then updated as per the binomial coefficient formula. So the formula for this binomial coefficient is the number is equal to number into I minus j, floor division by j plus 1. So this formula will generate the next number in that particular row. This is the algorithm where we are using in order to generate the binomial coefficients. So basic symbols used in this video is including input output symbol and processing. So I'm using outer for loop and inner for loop. Outer for loop which is used to represent the rows, inner for loop which is used to represent the columns. So this is my Pascal triangle flowchart formula based. So first I am initializing, I am reading this n value, then I am using this I variable. I is initialized to 1. This is outer for loop which will represent the rows. So then I greater than n. So number I am taking some variable which is initialized to 1, then putting some space here. Next I am using this inner for loop which is j is initialized to 1. So next in this inner for loop the condition is j is greater than I. So we are printing the number of rows in this particular, number of columns in particular row. So next I am putting this number. Initially number is 1 will be printed. Next I am updating this number is equal to number into floor division of I minus j divided by j plus 1 here. Next I am doing, I am incrementing j is being incremented by j plus 1. Next in the outer for loop I is incremented by I plus 1. So once you are running this flowchart, then you are getting the Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle values 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 like this. So Pascal triangle. So if possible, you can try this Pascal triangle by using functions concepts. Thank you, Chet.